Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing in more different ways. If you are interested in how to start, how to join affiliate marketing, okay? Make sure you watch this whole entire video because I'm about to go over from A to B how you can join affiliate marketing, all right? If you are interested in making money online, this is your channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel to get more ways to make money online. Let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how you can join affiliate marketing, how you can start affiliate marketing from A to Z, and I'm also going to show you how we can find a great product to promote as well. So if you're interested in learning how to join affiliate marketing, make sure you stay into the end of the video in which I'll be going over from A to Z exactly what you need to know when it comes down to joining affiliate marketing, okay? So let's get right into it. I am on digistore24.com. Digistore24.com is an affiliate marketplace. If you didn't know, it's multiple affiliate marketplace out here. Even certain brands that you have in your closet offer affiliate programs, okay? So affiliate marketing has been around for a long time, longer than you know. So I'm honestly not teaching you anything new, and I'm just teaching you something that's new to you, okay? So let's get into it. All you have to do is log in and register now. Like any other platform, Google, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, like you did with those, log in and sign up. And then after you log in and sign up, you go and find a valuable offer in which you can promote. Another website in which you can go and log into and sign up absolutely for free to start making money today is 𝐲𝐶.com, okay? 𝐲𝐶.com offers exquisite and very, very high quality products, digital products as well, in which you can promote and make money online. For example, today I will be logging into ClickBank for beginner friendly, and the niche I will be picking is health and fitness and losing weight, okay? So if you're in this niche, this is a great video for you. But if you're not in this niche, you can use the same exact techniques to find a great, profitable product to promote online, all right? If you're interested in learning how to promote products from A to Z, like literally it's 3 different ways you can make money online with affiliate marketing, make sure you check out my free training down below and pick up your free affiliates marketing training guide, okay? Don't forget, you can also schedule a call with me to start your affiliate marketing business. I will help you go over affiliate marketing strategies, help customize a new way in which you change the way you use your internet devices, and learn how to make money online properly with a strategy call with me, okay? So for example, like I said, we're going to be using losing weight. So how to find a very good quality product to promote. So I go look at Gravity. Gravity shows you how a product is selling. So look for Gravity over 25 and up, and also look at that the vendor has put into the program. It shows you. So upsells, it shows that it has upsells. If you don't know what an upsell is, so this can be the front end offer. Say the front end offer is a workout training guide, okay? And then you have a upsell for a meal prep, okay? And you can upsell that person for a meal prep also. So it's like, it's basically upselling a person in items or something they may be interested while they already in a buying mood. And then this is a one-time offer. So one customer, one time. They have reoccurrings. See right here, they have certain recurring payments in here also. And then they offer you affiliate tools. If you don't know what affiliate tools is used to make money online, making it easier for you to make money online. They can give out free books, free guides, free anything to help you capture these emails and promote to these people after you have gotten their emails, okay? And it's just super helpful when it comes down to you finding a product that has affiliate tools. So your main focus: affiliate tools, upsells, mobile friendly, and gravity. Upsells is awesome in affiliate tools, okay? Multiple products on here that gives you opportunities to make money online. We have upsells for this one, we have affiliate tools, and then we have mobile friendly, okay? Look at this, the gravity is at 76, okay? 76. And then we have unique offers. Look at this, the gravity is at 80. Look at this unique offer, 50% and 7% up to 300 sales. Look at this. This is awesome. This is mobile friendly. And then they have affiliate tools, and then they have upsell flow. Look for gravity, upsell flow, affiliate tools. Okay? And mobile friendly. This is not mobile friendly, but the gravity is at 136. Okay? 136. If you want to learn how to perfect your affiliate marketing business, make sure you check out my link down below, in which I'll be giving you free access to a course in which I use to start making money online, okay? And then pick up your free affiliates marketing guide to show you how to make money online. I'm simplifying everything. I'm taking out the mystery in affiliate marketing, okay? So I'm letting you know all the detail, the juicy details, and how you can make money with affiliate marketing and create affiliate marketing as a successful business. I will see you in my next video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, okay? Can't forget to say that. See you in my next video, for real.